The Faraday House in London is a building with imagination, offering a dazzling composition from the Victorian Railway Bridge. The apartments are part of Circus West Village, the first phase of the Battersea Power Station redevelopment. Full-height windows frame views of the River Thames and landscaped courtyard, enhancing the feeling of space and light, whilst private terrace balconies and rooftop gardens provide outdoor space. The 8-storey building is clad in hand-finished copper alloy, reflecting warm light into the spaces around it. But uncontrolled and excessive sunlight can seriously disrupt the experience of comfort. For this reason, the architect opted for structural solar shading. The DucoSlide panels ensure a drop in the average indoor temperature of up to 12% to combat overheating. The perforated screens animate the facade and provide homeowners with additional solar and acoustic control. The result? A better quality of life for residents and a striking composition for visitors as they travel into London Victoria Station.